Such a beautiful day today. Nice and sunny. Weather yesterday, it says that it's going to be really nice weather with no wind, no rain. So I thought I'm going to come out here again and show you the birds. So look at that. Tweet, 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 tweet. So beautiful. Here are the babies, the little birds, the little ducks. Ooh, what bird is that? Looks so beautiful. There's some black and blue color on that bird there. Here it is. It's kind of unique. That's the first time I saw this type of bird here. I won't come close. I'm actually standing very far away because I don't want to disturb the bird's peace. But I have the camera zoomed close to them so you can see them. Look how peaceful they are. This is the lake where you can actually, if you have a chair and if it's really hot, you can actually put your chair right in the river and sit in the river. So you can do that. The manager told me, oh, come and try the river. But it's a bit cold at the moment, so I thought, oh, I'm just gonna wait till it's really going to be a hot day and I'll try it. I don't want to get my feet cold just as yet. So there's actually a chair here. I think the bird has taken over the chair already. There's some pips, so I'm not going to sit. Yeah, so lovely view. There's more view on this side. We can't get past there. And there are residents living down there as well. Apparently they borrow this road path, the camping road path, because I was told that their other pathway, the road, it was blocked, like the bridge got blocked by the council, so that everyone's sharing the same bridge now, which is good. Sharing the same bridge, all going one direction, in and out. All going one direction, in and out. Watching these birds are hilarious. They were chasing after each other. And the way they run is so funny. They're so cute.